Hi guys and gals, good evening. Is it still good evening? Hold on, time check. A few more minutes before 12 o'clock. As you can see, I'm here inside of the van, going home in Bicol to celebrate New Year's Eve. But this van only in Naga, but it's still okay. I'm having some kind of excitement to be there in Bicol. My family will gonna be surprised for my presence once I get there. And you know what? This is only for Naga trip, and they're asking for 1.5 transportation fee, but I only got, can you guess for how much? Yes, I told the driver that I don't have enough money. Anyway, I finished my stints here in Cubao. Bye Cubao! Only Naga, and then I'm gonna transfer to another bus or van there in Naga once I get there on the following day to be there in Legazpi. Guys and gals, Happy New Year to each every one of you. As for now, bye Cubao. Hold on. Oh gosh, there's a sound here inside the van singing with Houston. I might be having a copyright claim, so we're now crossing the EDSA. But for now, Happy New Year!